What if I told you that most millionaires in America didn't inherit their wealth? Many started with ordinary jobs.
From the daily grind to long-term growth, we help hardworking Americans build the future they deserve.
The first habit is simple but powerful. Spend less than you earn. Wealth begins when you stop spending every dollar you make. Successful people save before they spend. They automatically transfer money into savings and investments every payday. Ordinary Americans became wealthy by investing consistently, not by predicting the perfect time to buy.
Look at that! It grew again! We are finally saving enough for the new house! This is great!
Saving is important, but increasing your income creates even greater opportunities to build wealth.
Understanding these charts is crucial. The key to long-term financial growth lies in compound interest and consistent investment strategies.
Knowing exactly where your money goes gives you complete control over your financial future.
Successful people don't just build wealth, they protect it with emergency savings, insurance, diversification, and retirement planning. You don't need a huge salary or perfect timing to become financially successful. Start practicing these habits today and let consistency work in your favor. Which money habit will you start today? Tell us in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical money tips.